Now that the data has been maintained, we can begin adding transactions into the system. To record a supplier invoice, go to the side panel, click on Purchase, then select Purchase Invoice. At the top of the Purchase Invoice page, you'll see a summary section that provides an overview of your purchase activity over the past 12 months. Purchase invoices are categorized into 4 statuses between unpaid, partial payment, full payment, and void. To create a new purchase invoice, click on Plus New. On the top section, enter relevant supplier details, including the invoice number from supplier and invoice date. In the Details section, add the details accordingly for the purchase of polo shirt and jeans. Once everything is filled in, click Save to record the transaction. Your new purchase invoice will now appear in the listing section, just below the summary. From the Action column, you can view, edit, copy, void, print, send document, or delete any purchase invoice from the listing as needed. That's how you create a purchase invoice on AutoCount Cloud Accounting.